Untangling Mixed Reporting. Master the art of everyday English conversations. Hello there, English language enthusiasts. We're back with another informative video to help you take your English skills to the next level. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of intermediate grammar, mixed reporting in everyday conversations. Mixed reporting can seem complicated, but it's a fantastic tool to make your English more fluent and natural. Let's dive right in. Before we delve into practical applications, it's crucial to understand what mixed reporting is. When we report speech, we often mix direct and indirect speech. In other words, we combine quoted words, direct speech, and reported words, indirect speech. This technique allows us to convey the original speaker's tone and intent more effectively. For instance, consider the following conversation. Mary, I'm not feeling well. I think I'll stay home. You later telling someone else. Mary told me, I'm not feeling well, and said that she was going to stay home. Notice how you've used both direct and indirect speech to report Mary's words. This is mixed reporting. Now, let's move on to how mixed reporting appears in everyday conversations. Often, when we're recounting stories or sharing information, we use mixed reporting. It allows us to relay information accurately and to bring the listener into the scene. Let's take a look at a few examples. John, I can't believe I won. I've been dreaming of this for years. You later recounting to a friend. John couldn't believe he had won. He said, I've been dreaming of this for years. In this scenario, you're using mixed reporting to share John's excitement and his exact words. Remember, using mixed reporting can make your English sound more natural, but it's also essential to maintain grammatical accuracy. Here are a few pointers to remember. 1. Maintain correct verb tense shifts when using indirect speech. 2. Direct speech should be enclosed in quotation marks. 3. Use appropriate reporting verbs to convey the speaker's tone. And that wraps up our exploration of mixed reporting in everyday conversations. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey of mastering English grammar. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate mixed reporting in your everyday English. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.